Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We got another Cross Customs build that was performed right here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. This is going to be a 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It's got the black clear coat exterior with the cloth interior. Walk up here to the window sticker and look at the MSRP and some of the optional equipment, and then we'll talk about some of the aftermarket upgrades. So $57,210. That's going to get you the cold weather package, so your heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, your Super Dome vented hood package. So if you can see in the camera, it's kind of got a little cowl or a hump. You're also going to get the rock rails, which is standard with the Rubicon. Got your LED headlights, LED taillights as well. But I mean, overall, this thing's got a really nice stance to it. I love the wheel combo. So let's go ahead and start talking about some of the upgrades and what all we did. Went with the AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. So that's going to bring the front and rear end up 2 inches. And a lot of people might not know what that is when we speak of it, but right there is the spacer. So stock springs, we just put the spacer on top. That's going to bring or elevate the whole vehicle up 2 inches without, doing a ton of upgrades like a coilover system. We also went with this 17-inch satin bronze AEV Borah wheels. Got the AEV center cap with the spline drive lugs. How aggressive that tread is on these 37-inch Toyo open country tires. They are 12.5 inches wide. We also went with the AEV snorkel kit. Really a nice addition. So if you're into, having a little more response, or I guess a growl or sportiness to your vehicle, an intake is a great way to get that out of it. Not only that, but its main focus is, I guess water fording, making sure, you don't get water in the intake and flood up your engine. Got the LED taillights, rear steel bumper with the receiver hitch. You're also gonna get the bedliner. Very nice to have. Got the rear sliding window with the black 3-piece hardtop. Got the plastic fenders, rock rails. Open up this driver's door. So you got the 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Got your cold weather package, so your heated seats, heated steering wheel like I discussed before. Got your cloth Rubicon stitch seats. I'm gonna take a step back and let you have a full view of it. But overall, this Jeep looks fantastic. I think they did a really good job with the color combo. I think the black and gold really complement each other, especially with the red Rubicon badging all the way around. I mean, just look at that. Love the snorkel. Really stands out. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of our latest and greatest Gladiator build. We got a few in the works currently, so I will have some more content for you guys here shortly. Just kind of waiting for Rick and Forrest to get, other jobs tied up, and should be on to the next one, And check out our website, you guys, crossjeep.com. Give us a call anytime, 502-537-1738. Thank you, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.